Do you want to know how you can log into your observe.ai account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your observe.ai account. First of all, what you need to do is open Chrome or Edge browser on your PC, go to the Google search bar and then search for observe.ai login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to the official login portal of observe.ai where you can log in using your email address, account number or your user ID. Or if you want to skip all of this, you can sign in using your TalkDesk account. So if you want to sign in using TalkDesk, go ahead and click on this link and it will take you to another portal where you can write down your account name and click login. After that, you can see the password option. Go ahead and write down your password and then click login again, and then you will be logged into your observe.ai account. Or else what you can do is write down your email address, account number or your user ID in this box over here, click continue, and if the email exists and it is registered with observe.ai, you can see a password option. Go ahead and write down your password, click sign in, and then you can successfully sign into your observe.ai account. I hope this video about how you can log into your observe.ai was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.